Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to install Windows 10 using a USB drive. This method works great for both a fresh installation and upgrading an existing system. Start by opening your browser and searching for Download Windows 10 on Google. Make sure you click the official Microsoft link. Download the Media Creation tool, then open it. Accept the license terms and allow any permission prompts that appear. Select your preferred language, Windows Edition, and system architecture, either 32-bit or 64-bit depending on your computer. Choose USB flash drive as the media type. Make sure your USB has at least 8 gigabytes of space, then continue. The tool will now download Windows 10 and create the bootable USB. This may take a while depending on your internet speed. Once the USB is ready, restart your computer. Enter the boot menu by pressing your manufacturer's key, like F2, F10, F12, delete, or escape, then choose the USB drive. The Windows setup screen will appear. Pick your language, time, and keyboard settings, then click Next. Enter your Windows product key or choose I don't have a product key to activate later. Just be sure to match the edition with your license. Accept the license terms, then select Custom, Install Windows Only. Choose the unallocated space as the installation target. Windows will now install. Your computer will restart several times. Just let it run and keep the USB plugged in until setup is complete. After installation, follow the on-screen prompts to finish setup. Once you reach the desktop, congratulations! You've successfully installed Windows 10 from a USB drive. Do you also want me to trim this script to exactly 2 minutes worth of narration pacing, approximately 280 words? Or should I keep the slightly extended version for flexibility?